Welcome back to our schools. In this video, you'll be needing for H2H, HB, 4B, Perfectionist 1056, an eraser, a kneaded eraser, and the makeup brush or paintbrush. First off, you want to add a layer with the 4H, blend it in with the paintbrush or the makeup brush, whatever you're choosing. Then you want to add the second layer with the 2H. Start at the bottom where the dark is at and build your way up. Next you want to add the HB pencil. Start at the bottom, blend it in. And last but not least, you have the 4B. Blend it in. Erase around the edges to define the shape. And also after you get done erasing it, add the highlights using the kneaded eraser or the Perfectionist. Next, we're going the same step and adding the shadow. Start it off from the 4H, add the first layer, and you want to go with the 2H, the HB, and 4B, starting from the darkest point, which would be underneath the bar. The key to blending is no hard edges.